You write question number 1 only. Don't write other question. One by one. First you have to. No, only question number 1. So let us solve this. Side. Okay. Now it is clear. Yes, it is clear. No, only one question you write. Question number 1 you write. What should be added? Now let us start. What should be added to 25.82? My phone, no, my phone is, I have shifted. Now I cannot, no, only question number 1 you write. Question number 1. Then we write the solution of 1. What should be added to 25.82 to obtain 89.59? One question. Only one question you write. All of you write question number 1. Yes, fraction and decimal. 1 minute. Continue. What should be added? Now it is clear. What should be added to 25.82 to obtain 89.49? Yes. Now write. What should be added to 25.82? Yes. What should be added to 25.82? So we are given, we don't know what should be added. Added means plus. Which number? 25.82. 25.82. Answer of first. Yes, answer of first. To obtain means which number? X sum. Yes. We will do X sum. Yes. What should be added? Right. What should be added to 25.82 to obtain 89.49? Now what should be added means we have to find this. Which number we are adding? So we consider let X be added. So we write let X be added. Let X be added to 25.82. Alright, yes, mute the microphone. Let X be added to 25.82. Yes. So you will get X plus 25.82 is 89.49. Yes, mute the microphone, Shivam. Mute the microphone, everybody. Let X be added to 25.82. When you add X to 25.82, you get the number as 89.49. So X plus 25.82 is equal to 89.49. Now before equal to, this is before equal to is my left hand side. Wait, after equal to is my right hand side. Before equal to is my left hand side, after equal to is my right hand side. Yes. Now you have to remember the rule of mathematics. Yes, whenever you change the side of the number, the sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus. So now I will take 25.82 on the other side. So you will get X is equal to 89.49. I will take, no, board is clear. Yes. Now, yes, all of you mute the microphone. Now this plus 25.82 and no, this is equal to this is equal to, my dear. Now I will take plus 25.82. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, why you are not muting the microphone? Mute the microphone. 25.82, we take it on the right hand side. Plus become minus. Plus become minus. So this become minus 25.82. 25.82 plus become minus when we change the sign. So now we have to subtract. So wait, 89.49 minus 25.82. Yes, 82. Now subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then it is 4. So 1 will be carried. This become 14. This become 14. And this will become 8. This will become 9 will become 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. 63.67. So we write so we add 63.67, yes, to 25.82. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. We add mute the microphone. We add 63.67 to mute the microphone to 25.82. Right. So which number should be added to 25.82 to obtain 89.49? So we consider that number as x. Let x be added to 25.82. So x plus 25.82 is equal to 89.49. Now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Whenever you change the side of the number, the sign changes. This is plus 25.82, which is on left hand side. When I will take it on the right hand side, it will become minus 25.82. So 89.49 minus 25.82. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then this is 4. So 1 will be carried. 4 become 14. And 9 become 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. So answer is 63.67. So we add the number 63.67 to 25.82. Write down fast. 89.49 minus 25.82. 89.49 minus 25.82. And that will be 63.67. Now all of you start solving second, those who have completed first. Those who have completed first, start solving second. Yes, those who have completed first, start solving second. So what should be added to 25.82? We say 14 minus 8 is 6, and then when 1 was carried, 9 become 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. So that is 63.67. Second is simplify. 75.8 plus 37.86 minus 16.805 minus 7.08. Second one is simplify. 75.8 plus 37.86 minus 16.14. I have written the circle. I have written 14 in the circle, means above 4 it is 14. Huh. Yes. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Second question is simplify 75.8 plus 37.86 minus 16.805 minus 7.08. So we have to simplify. So I think first question is over. Everybody has written. No, see my dear, enough time I will not give. Enough time I am giving. This question I don't want to erase. So this side I will erase after sufficient given time. So try to write down fast. Yeah. Board is clear, my dear. Board is very much clear, extremely clear. You see the setting of your phone. Now, second one, simplify. Second one, decimal is there. We have to simplify the decimals. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now simplify. Yes. No, if somebody is not muting, then I may remove because we have to be in the discipline. Without creating disturbance to other, we have to learn. Now second is 75.8 plus 37.86 minus 16.805 minus 7.08. See here. Mute the microphone. Yes. Pradeep, mute the microphone. It is last. Wait. Perhaps he may not be. See, he may not be knowing how to mute. So you let it be. Let it be. See here. Yes. Now next period I may not allow him, Pradeep. Mute the microphone. Now let us see. Yes. Now write. Yes. No, write. Let it be. No, let it be. You focus on the study. Now these are decimal. First you have to convert them into like decimal. After point it is 1 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 2 digit. So we have to convert them into like decimals. We have to convert them into like decimals. So maximum number of digits are 3. So first I will convert them into like decimals. So 75.800 plus 37.860, we have to convert them into like decimals. Minus 16.805 minus 7.080. Now check whether they are like decimals or not. After point 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. Yes. So now they are like decimals. Right. Wait. Now they are like decimals. Yes. Now first I will simplify these two. So that is 75.800 plus 37.860. First I will simplify these two. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 1 is carried. 1 is carried further. 1 is carried. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So you will get 3. Then again 1 is carried. Then 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So this becomes 113.660. We have simplified these two. Now whatever is the result, from that I will subtract this. So next step is 113.660. I have to subtract 16.805. So minus 16 point, yes, mute the microphone, 805. Yes, leave the line. Now first I have to add these two. I get 113.660. Then from this total I have to subtract this. So now let us subtract. It is 0 and it is 5. So 1 will be carried. So this 0 becomes 10. And 6 become 5. 6 become 5. And now it is clear, right? Now 0 become 10. So and 6 become 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 5 minus 0 is 5. Then it is 6 and it is 8. So 1 will be carried. So 3 becomes 2. 3 becomes 2 and 6 becomes 16. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Point. Now this is 2 and this is 6. So you have to carry 1. You have to carry 1. So this 2 becomes 12 and 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then this is 0 and this is 1. So again 1 will be carried. This 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10 and 1 becomes 0. So 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is 096. 96.855. Because that this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Because when 1 will be carried, this 1 becomes 0. 96 point, yes. 96.855. Now we have no 96.855. Now I have to subtract this. No, voice is clear. Now I have to subtract this. Now we have to subtract this 7.080. 7.080 we have to subtract finally. From this I have to subtract 7.080. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 5 and 8. 1 will be carried. 5 becomes 15. 5 becomes 15 and 8 becomes 7. So 15 minus 8. Yes, all of you able to hear me? Okay. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 7 minus 0 is 7. Then, wait. 6 and 7. This 6 becomes 16 and 9 become 8. 9 become 8. 16 minus 7 is 9 and 8 minus 0 is 8. So answer is 18. No. It is showing there. 89.775. You change the setting. No, you change the setting of your answer is 89.775. Answer is 89.775 is the answer. 89.775 is the answer. Right. 89 points. Next period I will not allow him. Do not worry. 89.775. No. That I will take care. 89.775 is the answer. Simplify. So, first we add these two. See here. What is our first job? To convert them into like decimal. First we convert them into like decimal. Then first we simplify these two. Add whatever is the resultant. That from that I will subtract this. I will get this. Again I have to subtract 7.080 from this. So we get 89.775 is the answer. It is coming very much clear. 89.775. Yes. Now all of you start third. Start third. Yes. Start third. Start third. Yes, mute the microphone. Start third. 89 point. Yes. Because after several instructions he is not muting, means I will not allow. 89.77. 89.775. Because see, I have kept the my. No. I have kept this. 89.77. Okay. Now start third. Focus on the word. Start third. Start third. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. Okay. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. Third, the sum of two fractions is 7/6. If one of them is 1/3, find the other fraction. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. If one of them is 1/3, find the other fraction. Third question. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. If one of them is 1/3, find the other fraction. Start solving. Start solving, get the answer. Start solving. All of you completed this second? That will see. Second is completed. Okay. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. If one of them is 1/3, find the other fraction. The sum of two fractions is 7/6. If one of them is 1/3, find the other fraction. So we are adding two fractions, and their total is 7/6. One of the fraction is 1/3. Find the other fraction. The sum of two fractions, it is just like we did 7/6 is 7/6 is no 7/6, not 7.6. So let. Yes, very good. What is your name, my dear? Very good. Now let us start. Let us start third. The sum of two fractions. There are two fractions. One and second. Their total. Their sum is given 7/6. One of the fraction is given 1/3. Find the other fraction. Other fraction we consider x. Let this x we have to find. Let other fraction be x. If one of them is 1/3, If one of them is 1 by 3, find the other fraction. Let other fraction be x. 1 by 3 plus x is 7 by 6. Let us start. 1 by 3 plus x is 7 by 6. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to is my right hand side. So whenever you change the side of the number, the sign changes. Mute the microphone. Whenever you change the side of the number, the sign changes. So x is equal to 7 by 6, 7 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3. Yes, now we take LCM of 6 and 3. So LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Who is telling period is over? LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 7 by 6 minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. Wait, yes. So x is 7 by 6 minus 2 upon 6. Now denominator is same, so I can take 6, 7 minus 2. So that is 5 upon 6. So other fraction is 5 upon 6. Other fraction is 5 upon 6. Other fraction is 5 upon 6. Now see here. 6 is the LCM, yes. So this is 6. We have to make the denominator of both the fraction as 6. So this 3 I have to multiply by 2 so that it becomes 6. So multiply by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So that is 7 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Denominator is same. 6. I can take the common denominator and simplify the numerator. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 by 6. Now 8 minutes are left. 8 minutes are left. Yes. Now 8 minutes are left. Your time start now. See, 8 minutes are left. Now your time start now. 42.83 to obtain 98. Start solving. Say 1 upon 3 plus x is equal to 7 by 6. 98.48. 3 is 6. 6 and 3 is 6. 6 I have underlined. 6 I have underlined. No. My dear, 3 is. This is 6. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now start solving. Start solving this problem. Start. Your time start. And tell me your name. Now start. 58.43 plus 27 point. Which one? 19 minus 43. Not into, my dear. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. This is 6. 6 and 3 is 6. My dear, SCF is 3. SCF is 3. Right. 43 point. Wait, 805. Yes. So other fraction is 5 by 6. 7 by 6 minus 2 by 6. 7 minus 2, 5 by 6. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. Yes. Mute the microphone. Now. Now all of you start. All of you start solving this, and tell me your name after. Do first. The sum of two fraction. Start solving. See, my dear, I have written x is equal to 7 by 6 minus 2 by 6 upon x is equal to 7 by 6 minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. 1 into 3 upon the sum of two fraction. The sum of two fraction. Question I am writing is 9 by 8. No, you have to do it right now. If one of them is if one of them is 1 by 4, immediately send me on the WhatsApp. No, not continuation. You have to solve. After solve, this is fourth question. That you read. No. What should be added to 42.83 to obtain 98.48? See, after solving equal to. This is equal to 7 by 2. This is equal to 7 by 2. 7 minus 2 upon 6. This is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 by 6. Immediately once you send me on the WhatsApp immediately. Send me on the WhatsApp. As you solve, immediately send me the solution on the WhatsApp. On this number 9. On this number you send me the solution immediately. Once you solve. That again I am writing 9930732714. Send me. Send me on the WhatsApp. Send me. Start solving these three. Don't write the question. Start solving it. Don't write the question. Other fraction is 5 upon 6 that you have to write. Now once you solve 4, immediately send me on the WhatsApp. Once you solve 5th, immediately send me on the WhatsApp. 6, immediately send me on the WhatsApp. Start solving. So that way I want to see your participation in the class. Whether your active participation is there or not. Immediately start. Don't try to write down the question. Start solving and send me the. Yes. Send me the solution on the WhatsApp immediately. Yes, don't waste time in writing the question. Start solving and sending me the solution. 3 minutes are there. Yes, 3 minutes are there. 3 minutes are there. Yes, I am reading the question. Simplify 58.43 plus 27.19 minus 43.805. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Send me on the WhatsApp fast. Once you solve fourth, send me on the WhatsApp. Solve fifth, send me on the WhatsApp. Sixth, send me on the WhatsApp. Write your. Wait, my dear. You start solving. Let him not mute. Yes. Solve this and send me on the WhatsApp. I see. There are 5 marks for active participation. Wherever I am asking you to solve the problem, हाँ, no, class is not over, my dear. 2 minutes are there. हाँ, 1 minute is there. 1 minute is there. Complete it. Send me on the WhatsApp. हाँ, you